Now normally when I stand here, I'm here as a student filmmaker. But today, I am not here as a student filmmaker. Today, I'm here as just a student. So I'll tell you a little bit about me as a student. I had 8 courses last year, and out of those 8 courses, I got 8 A's. Yes, I got straight A's. And out of those 8 courses, I was the top student for 2 of them. That was a bit of showing off. Yes, that is correct. I did that so I can tell you the trick that brought me here as a straight A student. When I was a middle school student, I was just ordinary student. I normally got B's and C's. But this one trick I did after becoming a high school student brought me here to this level of a straight A student. The trick that brought me here is writing a review index card every day. I know that sounds boring, but hear me out. The interesting part of this trick is you only get one side of an index card. You have to squeeze in everything you learned on one day throughout all the courses into one side of an index card. What this does is forcing your brain to engage and plan ahead to organize the information you have to write down. On top of that, writing stuff down makes you memorize better. Science says is there's no deniability in it. And even on top of that, you're creating review notes you can later skim through before a unit test or something like that. Considering this takes only around 10 minutes per day, it's a pretty good, efficient time investment. So now I'll give you a few tricks and tips you can use to squeeze in information to one side of this index card. Number 1, remove all us and does. They are useless for this activity. They are literally useless. They only take up space. Second tip is that you should use abbreviations and symbols. For example, change the word government to govt. And for the word or, you can use the symbol slash. Only you are going to look at your own notes, so only you have to understand them. And the last tip, the third tip, but the last tip, is using other languages you know. This is where knowing other languages is very helpful. For example, I'll use Korean, okay? Let's say I have to write the word possible. The Korean word for that is 가능, which is much shorter than the word possible when written out. So why wouldn't I use the Korean word instead of the English word? Writing a review card every day brought me up from a B/C student to a straight A's student. It works almost for all the kinds of courses and only takes around 10 minutes per day. So why wouldn't you give a go? I hope this trick was helpful for you. If you are a fellow student filmmaker like I am, you should go check out my other videos. Stay home, stay safe, and stay productive. I am Woogun, and see you next time.